What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We're back in my bathroom one more again. Quick milestone. So like maybe a few weeks ago, I realized this, but I haven't done a video in a while, and so I want to say thank you for the 5,000 subscribers that we have. Actually, you know what? I'll be real with y'all real quick. This is hard. You know what? I'm gonna leave this in the video. I thought that I was gonna be able to muscle through this and just record a video for you guys, but I can't do it. Wow, Justin, wow. Okay, well, yes, we did get 5,000 subscribers, and although most people think I'd be super excited about that, I'm really not. With my channel and with YouTube, honestly, I have kind of just fallen out of love of doing this, and I'm not motivated to make videos as of late. I say all that to say that going into this next year of my life, I want to focus on music specifically, especially with me in my last year of grad school. The current climate on YouTube and the current way that people get people to watch the videos is just something that I'm not like really down for. Some people have made comments on my channel in the past about like, how come you don't have any more subscribers? How come you don't have any more views? I think it is that I'm not as relatable because of me being gay, or also because I'm a black YouTuber. I also don't think that because I don't upload weekly regularly, and so I think with the YouTube algorithm, it just kind of pushes me aside and puts other content creators in the forefront. I also think that because my my channel is more tutorial based, that people don't necessarily want to watch tutorials anymore. I don't like vlogging in that sense. I'll like talk about things that have happened if I feel like there's a really good lesson or takeaway from it that I want you guys to have and to think about and ponder on. And I kind of just like living my own life. I don't need people following me on my life. I was gonna do a video, I actually had done, I had worked on this, and maybe I can do this now. Actually, yeah, I will. Let me get my laptop. I'm gonna be right back, y'all. Hold on one second. What's funny about this is that I wasn't planning on filming this video until next week, because next week is actually my 5-year Locs anniversary. And I was like, oh, well, I'll do this for that and make it a special thing. But I guess this is that video. Before we get into that though, make sure that you watch the last video that I did. I forget what it was even about, but it'll show up here so you can guys check that out as well. So let me just read off some things, because what I have done in the past is I've responded to haters and people who say, you know, nasty things to me on Instagram and on YouTube. And what I figure with me getting 5,000 subscribers, the least I could do, and I feel like this is owed to the people who supported me and have been with me for the journey for the most part, I want to give a thank you, a word of thanks, gratitude, appreciation for you guys. There are lots of messages that I get that aren't nasty, and aren't ugly, and aren't ignorant. And I save them, I screenshot them, I put them in a file on my phone, on my computer, so that way I can look back on them and be like, although people have these negative things to say, I don't know why this light is shorting on me. There we go. I don't know why I don't bring attention to that more often. I don't know why negativity seems to always be in the forefront, or something that we're a lot more inept to deal with negativity than positivity. So this is gonna be a positivity train, okay? So I thank you guys for your support, and I'm going to just read some comments that I like that have helped me and made my day a little bit better. Especially when there are days like today where I don't want to film, but I'm making something anyway because I know there are people out there who like the content that I create. I'm not sure what kind of content will be in the future, but that's for a different video, and we'll talk about that. I'll do an actual thing, but until then, just sit tight, okay? Bear with me. So from YouTube, we have 117AJ. He says, your locks are very good looking. I hope I can get mine to look nice one day like yours. Thank you for that. Someone else said too cute. Or no, you're cute. You're a masterpiece, from Kiera Crawford. Thank you, Kiera. Someone said, thank you for this video. I was leery at first because the comments were skimpy under the Men with Locks post, but after this, I definitely will give this a try, and I had to subscribe. That was the video on the lock bomb. He didn't know if it was gonna work or not, and it does. So that pretty boy Trey, you welcome. Alfredo Lopez put, you single? I am. That is true. Stephen Edwards said, maybe empath is a word that describes me. So much respect to you for using your platform to impact change. It is a civil rights issue. We African Americans should be the most open to acceptance of other groups, but we seem to be the most against the LGBTQ plus community. I am cisgender, and I think you were right about us cisgendered people not tolerating homophobia, especially if we also claim to be allies. And that was on the video I did about, you know, why be homophobic when you can just be quiet? Thank you so much for that comment, Stefan. Thank you so much for that comment. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Seb betray you. Bro, you are too funny. Crying emoji. Ah, 1510. The digression, the algae comment, color treated warning. Hilarious. Good stuff. Thank you, Seb. Appreciate it. Date me! Raleigh, North Carolina, from Tyrell Hurt. I'm not sure if I'm good with like long distance relationships, but we will see. We'll see. DDP3202. Sexy black man. This is true. The DCast 1996. I don't even wear makeup, and now I actually want to try because of this video alone. Great vid, man. I mean, you see this face? Okay. Kalani Voner. I actually know Kalani. I'm loving all the videos. Thanks, Kalani. Miguel Cruz. Gosh, you're beautiful. Smooch. Thank you, Miguel. Gracias. Cami XSARDJ. Your teeth. Oh my god. People have been commenting on my teeth like it's my teeth are not that white, honestly. I mean, they are, but I mean, I had the whitening kit a few videos years back, and then this, it's just the lighting in here. That's why my teeth look like this. That's the only reason. Jeanette Gathouse Fitness said Black Boy Joy. Yes. AJ Locs, you are everything. Love you. I just counted mine. I have 132. Cool. Thank you. I'm not everything though. That's a misnomer. I'm a lot of things, but I'm not everything. Okay, what else? Justin is Bay, hashtag 2018. I mean, okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Besides that, he says, what is this? Wind Singerful. Okay. Locs looking beautiful with the hood, but more importantly, beautiful message. You made me smile for the whole way through because we all need to grab a hold of this no matter how young or old. Thanks for posting this. Much love. I believe that was on the video I did about someone reaching out to me in the middle of a bar and saying how much me being myself allowed them to be themselves. So if you haven't watched that video, check out that link. It's pretty good. There's a good message in there, okay? So watch that one. JM Justin, thank you for your music for HS. I'm sorry that religion has its way of causing people to be unable to love and appreciate you like they should. Still, that doesn't take away from the gift you provide to others. Thank you, JM. Appreciate you, bruh. Stephen Koch, another message. He said, thank you for being visible and such an inspiration. Young gay boys need to know there are others out there that it is okay to be different. Growing up, I didn't have an all-time internet connection and smartphones weren't available way back then, so it took a long time for me to connect with others and find my way. It's a big deal to have a role model in that age. Who knows what's going on? Thank you for taking the time for being that role model for young gay people. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm glad that I'm glad that that's one of the things, that's the takeaway from this channel and from what we're doing here. This conversation is very needed, and I'm glad we're having it, honestly. Because I mean, the world we live in, y'all, you know. Don't be obtuse, you know. Oh my goodness. But yes, thank you for that, Steven. Thank you so much for that one. All right, S, The Gay Chronicles, Cause Jesus Hates Me. He said, why are you so nice? Why is your hair so damn nice? Why are you so cute? Why do you have like the most soothing voice ever? My voice? Okay. Why am I just so disgusting? Like, damn. Okay, you're amazing. First of all, don't be self-deprecating, okay? That doesn't make me feel any better. It doesn't make you feel any better. But, you know, don't attribute my amazingness to your lack of amazingness. And I'm not saying you're not amazing, because you are. But I'm just saying if we're talking about people, don't talk in comparisons like that, you know? Don't attribute one person's thing to yours. We're all individuals here, okay? We can be better. We can use better language. Jason Angelus said, well, you were my inspiration actually to start my lock journey. I've been following you for years and I got the courage to actually do it. Why have I stayed is because it's different. I feel connected to my hair. It's freeing, actually. Good to hear. Good to hear, Jason. Thank you for your message. Thank you for your comment. Now on the Instagrams, because I don't want to leave y'all out, because y'all be having some really good gems on Instagram, actually, and I want to take time to spotlight and shine those and really let you guys know how grateful I am for these messages, and I really appreciate y'all. So Nicholas Gaines says, Justin, I just started watching your videos last night. I watched 12 of them. 12, y'all. So glad I found you on here. Looking forward to hearing more from you. Your vids on faith and masculinity were deeply resonating with me. I'm glad you're here, and I'm happy to be following you and your journey. Thank you, Nick, for that message. It's messages like this that show that what I am doing, although I would say with my minimal visibility on YouTube and on the internet, I'm glad that it's still helping people, and that's one of the things, although it wasn't my initial intention, is something that has developed from this channel. So thank you. Eric Q. Oh, Eric. Got it. Yo, Justin, my name is Eric. Oh, he says in the message. Just read, Justin. I was moved to message you after watching several of your videos until I finally got to your dreadlock braids video. First, thank you for your videos. I will be wearing the samurai bun and messy bun at some point this summer. Nice. Second, I'm sorry people sent you those homophobic messages. People suck sometimes. Thank you, and yeah, that's true. Third, I also felt like messaging because I related as a black male musician with Locs and listening around the same age, 26. He's 26, I'm 27. He's probably 27 by now because this message was a while back. I'm not sure. Also, I'm a bartender, which I kind of do too. And anyway, I know academia can be really demanding and tough, so from one to another, keep pushing. We're similar circumstances in a real surface level way. Figure encouragement wouldn't hurt. And it did not. Thank you. This was another little good push and boost going through that last semester. Ooh, it was hard. Next message is from Solified. Hi Justin, I found your videos on YouTube and I'm so thankful for them. I literally just started my Locs Christmas Eve 2017 and I have no idea what I'm doing. But long story short, your vids have brought me some much needed clarity. Thank you so much and Happy New Year. I know it's July, but Happy New Year to you. Happy 4th of July since we just are around this time. Drew Jetson, he says, hey Justin, just sending you a message to let you know that you're inspiring me and my 1-year-old dreadlocks all the way in Germany. Hey, international, hey. Thank you, your YouTube videos really help not only with my hair confidence, but overall. Keep being and doing you. You're changing lives. Blessings, hey. Changing lives. That's kind of the things, yeah. Changing lives, life changers, future leaders. I like that. That works. Okay, and then one last message from Snapchat. Young Chubb says, "Hey man, just want you to know you're a great inspiration, especially for people with dreadlocks. I've been subscribed to your channels for a long time, and I watch every one of your videos. Just want to tell you, keep up the good work." And with that, those are all the messages. Thank you for that, Young Chubbs. It's a funny user handle for Snapchat, but hey, it's yours. And as you guys should know, this will be my 5-year dreadlock anniversary, so I'm excited about that. Last year and the year before, I did do 3 videos during my anniversary week, so I may try to do that still, but who knows with my energy, and we will see what happens. But I want to do another video explaining more of things about why I want to stop making YouTube videos and why I'm kind of just over this YouTube thing right now. So that'll be coming soon. Ooh, and there'll be a link in the description box so you can just jump to that, or in the video right here so you can jump to that and watch it. Okay. With all that said, I know this is kind of a weird video with the jumping around, but I feel like it was honest and I need to say it. I need to get that out so that way I'm being completely upfront with you guys about how I'm feeling, where the direction of the channel is going, and stuff of that nature. You can always tell it's serious, I'm talking low. That's just that's how it goes with me. So yeah. This is actually funny because I did all of this work and makeup just to make this video. Not the video I intended, but hey, sometimes life happens and we just gotta go with it. So if you like this video, even with its weird structure, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to hit me up on any other type of social media, like I said with my Snapchat, I now have it open so everyone can see it and view it. So follow me there for daily updates on my life. Instagram, Justin Locs on Instagram, Justin Locs on Snapchat. Follow me at those other 2 places as well. What else? Oh, and subscribe? Question mark? You can subscribe if you want to. The way that I'm feeling about YouTube and my current channel is that I don't really care about my subscriber count anymore. Yeah, some things have just changed, I think, within my perspective of this platform and what I'm using it for. What do I need to use it for utilization, you know what I mean? Maybe you don't, I don't know, it's okay. I kind of also unsure of what I mean with this. But if you want to subscribe, There will be content coming. It just won't be as frequent and as regular. So it'll be posted on a Monday. Just don't bet every Monday. That's the video. I'm gonna do this because you know I do this every time, but there's a video up there in that top corner of my last one. There's a playlist there of more videos. I'm not sure which playlist to put because this video is kind of very all over the place. So there'll be a playlist there of some stuff, and right there is a subscribe icon. So I'll see you guys when I see you. I don't know when, but just bear with me and we'll get to this together, okay? Peace and keep it locked.